Well, got my shingle shovel, got my dumpster. It's terrible. Alright guys, it's like 4:30. I think I'm gonna clean up all the debris on the ground and call it a day. I only got the roof about, I don't know, 1/3 done. 1/3 torn off. This, if it was OSB or if it was plywood deck, I would have it torn off and tarped by now. But this, these old planks just make it so much harder to tear off. I'm tearing up, I'm hitting nails from the past 5 roofs that have been on it. The planks are all wonky, so I'm hitting the edge of the planks. The shingles are just coming up in crumbles and not in big sheets like they have on other roofs. It's a really rough time tearing this roof off. Well, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the debris, and then I'll be back out here tomorrow doing the same thing. All right, it's day 2, getting kind of a late start because I had to run into town. I was gonna try to find one of those baby shingle shovels because this big one is basically useless on this type of deck. But Menards, Lowe's, and Harbor Freight didn't have them, so wasted half the day driving around. Well, I'm gonna try out the potato fork though. Hopefully I get some better results with that. Alright, well I got the whole roof, or at least all the shingles ripped off. I didn't film very much of it because it's exhausting and I just wanted to get it done. But you get the idea anyway. I think I'm going to go ahead and tear off all this tar paper, or at least sweep up the stuff that's loose. And then tomorrow I'll be doing some more cleanup. Pulling nails, pushing nails in, and then putting on tar paper and the plastic. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing for the first part of the day is pulling out or pounding in all the rest of the nails that are still on the roof, peeling up all the tar paper, cleaning up all the little chunks of shingles, and then patching the holes and whatnot. That way in the second part of the day, I can put down the ice and water all the way around the edge of the roof, and then put on tar paper, and then cover it up with the plastic I bought last video. So, time to start cleaning up. Well guys, I got up there on that roof for about 20 minutes. It's like 11:30 right now. It's just too hot to be up there. So I'm coming back down here to start tearing out the subfloor. And then I figure when the sun starts to, later on in the day when the temperature drops a bit, the sun is less intense, I'll go up there and I will tear it. And I'll clean up all the debris on the roof and put the tar paper and whatnot down. So yep, I'm gonna start on subfloor in here. Don't want to be up there baking in the sun, getting bad sunburn, and yeah, having a miserable time. Alright guys, most of the thick debris is cleaned up. I still got to nail all these nails back down. But just looking around this roof, I feel like I'm going to have a lot of nails go through shingles and not hit anything behind it. So I just did the calculation. It'd be about $500 for me to put 1/4-inch OSB on top of this existing deck, and that would fix a lot of these dangerous holes and whatnot really easily. And it would also make sure every nail that went through every shingle was at least nailed into something. So I'm going to just hammer all these nails back down, leave all these bits of tar paper. I'll pick up all the shingle bits because they're thick, but tar paper bits can stay down. And then I'm going to screw a bunch of OSB, 1/4-inch OSB around this and give it a much better deck. All right, let's get to nailing. All right, guys, the giant hole from the chimney and the firefighters is patched enough to put OSB on top of it and not fall through. The rest of the roof is cleaned up, just a little bit of tar paper left, which can be covered up by OSB, doesn't matter. All the nails pounded in. We're ready to lay some OSB and some water and ice, and some tar paper and the drip edge tomorrow morning. It's taken quite a while to get this to this point, probably about 3 days. Well, I guess I will see you tomorrow. Alright guys, we're adding another layer to the deck of the roof. Sorry I didn't show you guys, and I'm not going to show you much video of this. We're just trying to get it done quickly before it gets too hot out here. It's supposed to be pretty hot today. But you can see how it's going. It's 1/4-inch. So you guys can kind of see what's going on here. I'm laying them out roughly where they're supposed to go, and he's just going along and screwing them in. I'm making sure the ones I lay out don't look like they're done, so we don't take a magic OSB right off the roof. But yep, that's the way it's going. It's going kind of fast now that we're on the big side. Alright guys, so it is, I don't know, about 3 o'clock. Started about 9:20 or something. 2 guys on a 13 square roof. Got all the 1/4-inch down. I bought 43 sheets, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1 on the ground. 8 left, so I can't do math right now, but I think something like 35 sheets. Yeah, 35 sheets. And yeah, that cost $12 a sheet, so you can do the math there. I'm gonna return those and then go buy some turnbuckles from Lowe's and then go home, call it a day. Tomorrow I'll be doing the tar paper and the ice and water and drip edge and whatnot. So I'll see you then.